Hello dear students, today I am going to take your painting or art and craft class. So today we are just going to start first with a beautiful craft. So today I am going to teach you a beautiful twisted flower. Okay, it's just a rose flower but we'll using a twisted technique in this flower. Okay girls, now let's start. Okay girls, for making the twisted rose, what material we require for that? So first of all, we need a Dupex paper. Normally it's available in the all shops, all stationery shop you will get it is. Okay. One scissor you need for that. One flower wire, obviously for the tying the flower. One green tape, flower tape. One thread we need and Fevicol. Okay, now I'm just going to start the flower. So first of all, we have to cut this paper. See it carefully how to cut this flower. So first of all, what we have to do, in the one sheet at least 2 flower will be made. Okay, यानी कि एक शीट में से आपके कम से कम 2 फ्लावर बन जाएंगे. तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी विल कट इट इन द मिडल. हम इस पहले बीच से काट लेंगे. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी विल कट इन द मिडल. After cutting it, so first of all we have to divide this paper in 3 parts. We have to equally divide it. We have to divide it equally, like this way we have to divide it, this paper in 3 shapes. Then we have to cut it like this way. Now how to ready the leaves. Now see here how to ready the leaf portion. So first of all we have to fold this paper from here like 1 and 1.5 centimeter. We have to fold this paper like this way. Then we have to twist this. How to twist? We have to hold the both thumbs here. Then we have to twist like this. We'll put this thumb here and again we have to come back. Again we have to follow the same thing. The same way like this the twist will come. Okay, ये twist इसके अंदर नजर आना चाहिए, यानी कि एक round form इसके अंदर बन के आना चाहिए like this way. A twist will come. It's a very important that twist will come in this. Okay, like this way. Okay, after twist this whole line, all lines are ready. Okay, all 3 lines are ready. Now how to tie the flower? So first of all we'll take the wire and we have to twist this wire, fold this wire from here. Then what we have to do, we have to cut a little paper, a slide of the paper we have to cut from in the same paper. Okay, now this way. Then we have to fold it like this, tie this like this. Okay, now we will tie it by the thread. Okay, after tying this, how to tie the flower? See it carefully कि how to tie the flower. तो जहाँ जिसके अंदर से हमने एक छोटा सा पेपर कट किया था, हम सबसे पहले उसी वाले पेपर को लेंगे एंड वी हैव टू जो हमारा फोल्ड वाला पोर्शन है उसको बाहर की तरफ रखेंगे. देन वी हैव टू स्टार्ट द टाइम द फ्लावर. हम इस तरह से अपने पेपर को घुमाते जाएंगे और उसको हम टाई करते जाएंगे. सबसे पहले हम फर्स्ट वाले पोर्शन को टाई करेंगे. First of all we have to tie the first portion tie it very tightly. Okay, we will tie it very tightly like this way. See here how the beautifully twists are coming in this. It's just an uneven twist. Okay, no need to arrange the twist. Now again the second paper. The same technique we have to arrange the second paper like this. Okay, then again we have to tie this. हमें दूसरे पेपर को भी ऐसे ही टाई करना है. Now the last paper, the same way we have to tie it again. Last we have to tie it very tightly. See here the downside how I am tying this flower. Very tightly you have to tie it. Then in the last the knot we have to put. How to put the knot? Hold the thread like this, cross the thread and tie like this. Okay, again I'm just going to tell. Hold like this, cross the thread, then tie like this. At least 2 or 3 knots we have to tie. After tying this, we have to cut the extra thread. Then we have to put some Fevicol in the edge of this flower like here. Put some Fevicol here. Then we have to take the tape and very tightly we have to tie it. Okay, like this way we have to tie it. Remind one thing, you have to tie it very tightly, not be loose this part. It should be very tight. In the last, how to end this paper? You have to hold this like this way. Okay, then you cut it. Okay girls, see your flower is ready. Your twisted beautiful rose flower is ready, and you have to complete at least 1 or 2 flower in your homework, and on next turn I will send a new video. By the time, bye bye. God bless you all of you.